सर्व 10वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांचे या भागामध्ये मी स्वागत करतो। आज आपण मॅथ्स 2 मध्ये सर्कल चॅप्टर मध्ये प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.3 घेणार आहोत। फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज इन फिगर 3.37 पॉइंट्स G D E F आर कॉन्साइक्लिक म्हणजे ते सर्कल वरती आहेत। पॉइंट्स ऑफ अ सर्कल, concentric points of a circle with center C, angle ECF 70 degree, ECF is a 70 degree, measure of arc DGF is 200 degree, and measure of arc D याचा आपल्याला मेजर काढायचा आहे। आणि दुसरे काय आहे पहा, मेजर ऑफ आर्क DEF now solution given that in the figure angle ECF equal to 70 degree, angle measure of arc DGF equal to 200 degree. Now we find measure of arc EF. Here, by definition of measure of final arc, measure of arc EF is 70 degree. Means this 70 degree is 200 degree, 270 degree, and remaining D we will find by subtracting 360 degree. Measure of circle is 360 degree. Measure of arc EF equal to angle ECF equal to 70 degree. By definition of measure of minor arc, measure of arc EF is 70 degree. Now the sum of measure of all circle, all arcs is 360 degree. Therefore measure of arc D plus measure of arc DGF plus measure of arc EF equal to 360 degree. Measure of circle is 360 degree. Now we put the values. Measure of arc D we have to find plus DGF 200 degree plus EF 70 degree equal to 360 degree. Therefore measure of arc D plus 270 degree, 200 plus 70, 270 degree equal to 360 degree. Therefore measure of arc D equal to 360 degree minus 270 degree equal to 360 minus 270 remains 90 degree. Therefore measure of arc D equal to 90 degree. 90 degree मिळेल आपल्याला. Now we find measure of arc DEF. arc DEF is measure of arc D plus measure of arc EF. Measure of arc DEF equal to measure of arc D आपण असं लिहूया मेजर आपण लिहिता आपण आर्क डी इक्वल टू DEF इक्वल टू आर्क डी प्लस आर्क EF आणि याला मेजर याला वजन द्या the property of addition of arcs, the property of addition of arcs. Therefore, measure of arc DEF equal to measure of arc D plus measure of arc EF equal to measure of arc D 90 degree plus EF 70 degree equal to 160 degree. That is measure of arc DEF equal to 160 degree. Now, example number 2. So, example number 2 is a star number. In figure 3.38, triangle QRS is an equilateral triangle. Draw the figure. Here center, there is no name of the center. Draw triangle QRS is an equilateral triangle. It is equilateral triangle QRS. Equilateral triangle, therefore all sides are equal. Prove that number 1, arc RS congruent arc QS congruent arc QR. म्हणजे आर्क RS हा आर्क QS आणि आर्क QR हे कॉन्ग्रंट आहे हे विचारलेलं आहे आणि 2 नंबरला विचारलेलं आहे प्रूव्ह करायला सांगितलं आहे मेजर ऑफ आर्क QRS इक्वल टू 240 डिग्री ते दाखवायला सांगितलं आहे QRS चं मेजर जे आहे QRS चं मेजर 240 डिग्री आहे प्रूव्ह करायला सांगितलं आपल्याला तो या ठिकाणी प्रूव्ह करूया आपण पहिल्यांदा नंबर 1 चं these three arcs are congruent. Here given that in the figure, given that triangle QRS is an equilateral triangle. QRS is an equilateral triangle. Given. Therefore, sec RS congruent sec QS congruent sec QR. Sides of an equilateral triangle. That is, RS means QS means QR are chords of the circle. RS segment RS means chord of the circle. QS chord and QR chord. We can write it as that is chord RS congruent chord QS congruent chord QR. These chords are congruent, therefore by theorem its corresponding arcs also congruent. Therefore chord RS and its corresponding arc is arc RS. Congruent. Chord QS its corresponding arc QS. Congruent. Chord QR its corresponding arc QR. And your result corresponding arcs of congruent chords. And this is its proof. Number one, proof is completed. Now here, second, to find measure of arc QRS. Second, in the first, arcs are congruent, therefore their measures also congruent. So, number two, arc RS congruent arc QS congruent arc QR from 1 is proved out. Therefore, if arcs are congruent, then their measures also congruent. Therefore, measure of arc RS equal to measure of arc QS equal to measure of arc QR. Number 1. Now measure of arc QRS. We have to find 240 degree. These measure of these three arcs are equal and their sum is 360 degree. Measure of arc QR RS plus measure of arc QS plus measure of arc QR equal to 360 degree. The sum of measure of circle therefore QR, QS and QR are the same measures. Therefore, thrice measure of arc RS equal to 360 degree from त्याला नंबर 1 दिले आपण इथं आणि याला नंबर 2 दिले. इथं फ्रॉम आपल्याला 1 and 2 असं लिहिता येईल. हे आपण RS QS आणि QR इक्वल आहे. ह्या जर ह्या व्हॅल्यूज ठेवल्या आपण RS तर ही मेजर ऑफ आर्क RS होईल. Therefore measure of arc RS equal to 360 degree upon 3 means measure of arc RS equal to given the 120 degree. Measure of arc RS 120 degree. Therefore measure of arc RS equal to measure of arc QR equal to 120. तर प्रत्येकाचं मेजर हे सारखं झालेलं आहे. आता इथं आपण नंबर 3 देऊया आणि इथं फ्रॉम 1 and 3 असं रिझन. आता RS आणि QR त्यांचं मेजर आपण घेतलेलं आहे. आता QRS चं मेजर दाखवायचं आहे. Measure of arc QR plus arc RS equal to arc QRS. Reason arc property of arc property of addition of arcs. Therefore measure of arc QR plus measure of arc RS equal to measure of arc QRS. QR चं मेजर आणि RS चं मेजर 120 डिग्री each. 120 degree plus 120 degree. Measure of arc QRS. So 40 degree 120 plus 120 so 40 degree equal to measure of arc QRS. That is measure of arc QRS equal to 240 degree is 4. Now last question 3. Question number 3. In figure 3.39 chord AB congruent chord CD. Prove that AC congruent are BD. Figure given that there are two parts these two parts are congruent AC and PD CD. ये भी congruent CD and here CD. We have to prove AC congruent PD, AC congruent PD. हे दोन्ही आर्क कॉन्ग्रुएंट आहेत ते प्रूव्ह करायला सांगितलेलं आहे. प्रूव्ह इन द फिगर chord AB congruent chord CD given. These chords are congruent, therefore corresponding arcs are also congruent. Therefore arc ACB congruent arcs are DBC corresponding arcs of congruent chords. Happened isn't there? Now these arcs are congruent. Arc ACB means the sum of arc AC and BC. Measure of arc AC plus measure of arc BC equal to DBCR. It is the sum of arc BD and BC. Measure of arc BD plus arc BC. Property of addition of arcs. Here BC plus measure of arc BC plus measure of arc BC get cancelled. Therefore measure of arc AC equal to therefore measure of arc the arc AC plus arc BC, arc BD plus arc BC. BC cancel, remains arc AC equal to arc BD, and it is proved arc AC equal to arc BD, that is arc AC congruent arc BD. अब आपण या ठिकाणी कॉम्पोनंट घेऊया, इथे कॉम्पोनंट, इथं पण कॉम्पोनंट घेऊया, म्हणजे हे आपोआपच आरकेएससी कॉम्पोनंट बेडी मिळणार. मेजर न लिहिता आरकेएससी या दोघांचे ऍडिशन, आर डीबीसी डीबीसी या दोघांचे ऍडिशन येतं, डीसीबीसी कॅन्सल होईल आणि राईट काय आरकेएससी कॉम्पोनंट आर्क बेडी. अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करता येईल. धन्यवाद.